on to the historic moment. మన ప్రియతమ ప్రధానమంత్రి శ్రీ నరేంద్ర మోదీ గారి దార్శనికతో చెప్పిన ఆత్మనిర్భర్ భారత్ వంటి పథకాలతో ఈరోజు భారతదేశానికి ప్రపంచ స్థాయిలో గుర్తింపు లభించింది. సుమారు 11,360 కోట్ల రూపాయల పైచిలుకు విలువగల రైలు, రోడ్డు మరియు ఆరోగ్య సంబంధించినటువంటి ప్రాజెక్టుల్ని ప్రారంభించుకుంటున్నాము. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర అభివృద్ధిలో నూతన శకం ప్రారంభం కానుంది. We will now see a short video on 5 important road projects in Telangana state. Foundation shall be laid by the Honorable Prime Minister in a short while. Can we have the AV please?
It is a firm belief of our visionary and dynamic Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji that for developed India, modern infrastructure is pivotal. And in the last 8 to 9 years, the country has seen a transformation in infrastructure landscape of the country.
भाइयों और बहनों, हमारा प्रयास है कि तेलंगाना के कोने-कोने तक बेहतरीन कनेक्टिविटी पहुंचे. पिछले 8 वर्षों में तेलंगाना में नेशनल हाईवे की लंबाई 2 गुनी हो चुकी है.
Telangana, known for its rich cultural heritage and beautiful natural landscape, is a strong partner in nation building. Road infrastructure projects worth over rupees 34,000 crore have been either completed in the last 9 years or are in advanced stages of completion. Today is an important day in the history of Telangana as Honorable Prime Minister is laying the foundation stone for 5 national highway projects worth rupees 7,865 crore. Construction of 4-lane new greenfield highway from Khammam to Devarapalle will reduce distance between Rajamundry and Hyderabad by 56 kilometers and provide direct connectivity between Hyderabad and coastal parts of Andhra Pradesh like Visakhapatnam, Gangavaram and Kakinada. It will also boost tourism by providing enhanced connectivity to places like Rajamundry, Papikondalu, Annavaram and Simhachalam. Construction of 6-lane Akalkot-Kurnool section of NH 150C will reduce the distance between Surat and Chennai by 280 kilometers and travel time by 6 hours. It will strengthen road connectivity of the state of Telangana with Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Construction of Mehboob Nagar Chincholi section will provide smooth connectivity with Karnataka. Local produce like cement, tandoor stones and agriculture commodities like red gram and cotton will get access to bigger and newer markets. It will also give boost to pilgrimage and tourism sectors due to seamless connectivity to Anantagiri Hills, which hosts the famous Ananta Padmanabha Swami Temple. Construction of Kalva-Kurti Kolhapur section of NH 167K will reduce distance between Hyderabad, Kalva-Kurti and important destinations like Tirupati, Nandyala, Chennai by about 80 kilometers. Small-scale industries, milk factories and stone quarries will get access to bigger markets, enhancing socio-economic development of the entire region. Construction of Nizampet Narayanakhed Bidar section will improve connectivity between Hyderabad and Bidar, famous for Guru Nanak Jira Sahib Gurudwara, Kolhar Industrial Area and handicrafts. These projects will give boost to agriculture, industrial, transport and tourism sectors and generate employment opportunities at a large scale, thereby giving new impetus to prosperity and growth of Telangana.